If you've been looking at your HubSpot bill and wondering whether there's a better option, you're not alone. HubSpot is one of the most widely used marketing platforms in the world, but the pricing and agency scale is genuinely painful. And there are features agencies actually need that HubSpot simply doesn't offer at any price. In this video, I'm covering the 5 best HubSpot alternatives for marketing agencies in 2026, so you can figure out which one is worth switching to. Now let's start with why agencies look for HubSpot alternatives in the first place. HubSpot's free CRM is excellent, but the moment you need marketing automation, the price jumps to $800 a month for the professional plan. Add more context, more users, or upgrade to enterprise, and you're looking at $3,600 a month or more. For a smaller growing agency, that's a significant portion of your operating budget on one tool. And on top of the price, there are things HubSpot fundamentally doesn't do. There's no white labeling, no client sub-account model, and no way to resell access to clients. Those are features built into other platforms at a fraction of the cost. Now, the best overall HubSpot alternative for agencies is GoHighLevel. This is the platform that was specifically built to replace the exact stack agencies use HubSpot to manage: CRM, email automation, client pipelines, follow-up sequences. But GoHighLevel goes further. It adds SMS automation, voicemail drops, a funnel builder, reputation management, and the ability to white label the entire platform under your own brand and charge clients for access. At $297 a month for unlimited client sub-accounts, it replaces what agencies are paying $800 to $3,600 a month for in HubSpot. And it adds capabilities that HubSpot doesn't have at any price. The trade-off is a steeper learning curve and less polished reporting. If email marketing automation is the core of what your agency does, ActiveCampaign is worth serious consideration. Its automation builder is arguably more powerful than HubSpot's for pure email workflows, and its deliverability track record is excellent. Plans start around $49 a month for smaller contact lists and scale up from there. Still significantly cheaper than HubSpot Professional. It includes a CRM, though it's not as deep as HubSpot's. The limitation is that there's no white label option and it's not built for the multi-client management model. But if email campaigns for clients is your primary service, ActiveCampaign gives you better email tools at a much lower price. Now, if your agency is SEO focused, SE ranking replaces HubSpot's SEO capabilities with more depth at a fraction of the price. HubSpot includes some SEO tools in its higher tiers, but they're not what an SEO agency actually needs day to day. SE ranking gives you comprehensive keyword research, daily rank tracking for unlimited keywords, competitor gap analysis, full technical site audits, and AI-generated content briefs, all from just $65 a month. For agencies where SEO is the primary service, SE ranking does the SEO work better than HubSpot while leaving budget for other tools. Now, if the main thing that you're using HubSpot for is managing your agency's own sales pipeline, tracking prospects and deals, Pipedrive is the cleaner, more focused option. It's purpose-built as a sales CRM. The interface is one of the best in the industry for pipeline management, and it starts at $14 per user per month. The trade-off is that Pipedrive has no built-in email marketing automation. You'd pair it with a dedicated email tool for outbound campaigns. But for agencies that primarily need to track their own sales process rather than run client marketing campaigns, Pipedrive is a better CRM at a much lower price. Now, a lot of agencies use HubSpot, at least in part, for project management and task tracking alongside the marketing features. If that describes you, ClickUp or Notion can replace a significant chunk of what you're paying HubSpot for. Both have free tiers and full project management capability. ClickUp in particular has a lightweight CRM view built in. Neither is a replacement for marketing automation or outbound email, but if you're using HubSpot primarily to manage agency workflows and client deliverables, you can replace that portion of the stack for free and put the savings toward a more specialized tool. So let me give you a quick side-by-side. HubSpot Professional is $800 a month, strong CRM, excellent integrations, no white label, not built for agencies. GoHighLevel at $297 a month is purpose-built for agencies, white label included, multi-channel automation, and a steeper learning curve. ActiveCampaign starting at $49, best for email marketing focus, no white label, and limited multi-client management. SE ranking at $65 gives you deep SEO tools. It's not a CRM replacement, but it's the best for SEO-focused agencies. Pipedrive, from $14 per user, is the best CRM for outbound sales with no marketing automation. The right answer depends on what you're actually using HubSpot for. So here's the decision framework. If you manage marketing campaigns for multiple clients and want to build a recurring software revenue stream, GoHighLevel. If email marketing is your core service and you need strong automation and deliverability, then ActiveCampaign. If SEO is your primary service and you need serious rank tracking and analysis tools, SE ranking. If you have an active outbound sales process and need a focused pipeline CRM, Pipedrive. If you mainly need project management and basic CRM with a tight budget, ClickUp. And you don't have to pick just one. Some agencies run GoHighLevel for client work and Pipedrive for their own sales, for example. So the bottom line is, HubSpot is a well-built product, but it's priced for enterprise companies and designed for internal teams, not for agencies managing multiple clients. Most agencies that make the switch save between $500 and $3,000 a month and gain features like white labeling that HubSpot doesn't offer at any price. All 5 alternatives I covered today have free trials or free tiers. I put links in the description to the free versions of all 5 of those softwares. If you want the full breakdown on any one of these tools, I've got dedicated review videos on the channel and I'm adding more constantly. And if you appreciated this video, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.